Hi, it's Chris. In this video we're going to show you how to remove and replace the cooking tray in your GE microwave. Now, removing and replacing the tray in your microwave does not require any special tools at all. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. The main reason you're going to be looking to remove the tray and reinstall it is typically for cleaning purposes. But over time, accidents can happen and they can be damaged or broken, in which case you're going to have to replace it. So the first thing we do is we're just going to open the door, of course. The cooking tray is right in the bottom. If you do have any utensils or any plastic trays or anything, you'll want to remove those from the microwave. If you have a wire rack in your microwave, you'll want to remove that as well. Once all that's out of the way, you're simply going to take hold of the tray and bring it out. And this is the ideal time to give it a good cleaning, top and bottom. Or if it's been damaged, you're going to throw the old one away and put the new one in. It's also an ideal time to make sure that your supporting rollers are in good shape and everything's turning nicely. Now to install it, it's even easier. You're just going to bring the tray into place, set it down, line those up so it's locked in. And there you go. You can see just how easy it is to remove and reinstall the cooking tray in your GE microwave.